Hi, my name is Judith. I'm here today along with my colleagues Alix, Amin, and Emma Kate. We're working with Head in Hand to offer a recommendation in order to create a sustainable future for the organization and for the youths. So the current situation now for this organization is that there's a great discord between the board of directors and program coordinators, and there's also an organizational overlap, which is creating inefficiencies. There's also a lack of funding, since most of the funding comes from donators, and there's high costs and also a lack of sustainability. Our opportunity statement is to improve services for the youths, to reduce costs by around 6%, and to ensure a sustainable future.
So our main proposal is to open a coffee shop, as we think that this will offer a sustainable revenue source for Head in Hands. Currently they are reliant on external donors for their funding, which could be cut at any time. We also think that a coffee shop would offer the opportunity for Head in Hands youth to be employed, and also as a promotional tool for Head in Hands.
We also propose a structural reorganization where we take 9 programs and turn them into 5 programs. Right now we have the legal program and the social program working under different branches, and we think that they would be best paired under an advisory services branch, and this branch would also have referrals for a food bank and rehab centers, as we feel that our resources don't allow us to provide those services as best as we can, and there are other organizations in Montreal that could help the youth better than we can. We would continue with Jeunesse 2000, and we would bring some drug aid like the clean needles under our medical wing, and we would continue with the young parent program as well as with the community workshops. We also propose team building experiences and activities, and to get the board of directors more involved with the staff collective by being on a meeting every month to establish communication coordination.
Okay, so looking at the financials behind our recommendation, we estimated that the cost reduction of our structural reorganization, looking at the 2017 financial statements for the organization, are around $60,000 coming from street work and Sense Project. And this would allow us to fund our coffee shop, as the estimated cost of running a coffee shop in NDG without having to pay additional rent would be around $60,000 as well. And so looking at our overall implementation timeline, we would lead with our structural reorganization initiative, followed by a team building initiative in order to help facilitate this reorganization, and then lastly our coffee shop, which would be funded by our structural reorganization and allow for long-term success for the organization.